I was all finished with my slippers and then walked away for a second, and my pup got a hold of the slippers and kind of loosened some of these beads here, so I had to take it all apart, and then I'm going to go back and reinforce these beads here. Kind of see how loose they are. Yeah, they got pretty loose here. Probably have to go through it a few times and then go back and tack it down. I finished the repair job. I tightened up the loose beads and reinforced the beadwork, and it looks like it's pretty good now, and it's gonna stay there. So now I have to do the next step of putting it back onto the slipper, but I just wanted to show that it's possible to repair beadwork that was ripped up by your puppy, or maybe there's some other thing that might have happened to your beadwork.